My name is Rene Bigler. I'm working in education for a public school, higher education, some sort of a vocational college in Switzerland where our students attend school maybe 1 or 2 days a week, and the other 3 days they are in a company learning on the job their profession. So that's what we're doing. We have about 3,500 students, so quite a big school. 350 faculty staff members, and I'm working as a system engineer in our IT department. We're quite a small group of people caring about the IT at the school. There are mainly 3 persons caring for all these users and all the devices. We run 2 data centers. We have 4 different branch offices, so it's a big school, or a bigger school for Switzerland at least. IGEL Community is really a great group of like-minded guys from all over the world, and it's great what IGEL has done with this community. I can't remember of another vendor having something similar at this scale, at least. So I met a lot of people here now that are also members of IGEL Community. It's funny to see the people face to face because during our regular work we're connected on Twitter, on Slack, try to help each other. That's a great thing to meet all those people in person here. If you have just a small questions, you could Google the answer, you could look it up on the IGEL knowledge base on the new one. Often it's the easiest way to just throw it out on Slack to the community members, and 5 minutes later you have an answer from a peer, or maybe also from an engineer from IGEL connecting with you and telling you what to try to solve the issue, and that's really great. It's also great to have the opportunity to make recommendations for further product development. So I like it really what IGEL has done with this community. We're a long-time IGEL customer. I think we started about 10 years ago with the first release of UDC back in those days. We had older devices deployed a new Citrix environment, and for us it made never sense to build a Citrix environment where you have to do all those updates in the images, in the virtual machines, virtual desktops, and then on top do the same thing on the endpoint. So we were looking for a solution, for a thin client solution, and that was the point where we discovered IGEL with their UDC product to convert existing endpoints into IGEL thin clients. That's where it started. Today we have about 200 UDC devices. We have IGEL hardware devices as well. Just before Christmas we ordered a bunch of UD9, the all-in-one device from IGEL, to replace computer lab at our school. We need a performant device because in those labs our students do computer-aided design stuff with heavy graphics application, Adobe Creative Suite things, etc. So we try whenever it's possible to replace physical Windows endpoints with IGEL solutions to access our VDI infrastructure running on Citrix. In education, you don't have that much funding. That's often an issue. I told you we are three people caring about the whole environment and all our users, and we just don't have the time to go and maintain every endpoint. So it's a great fit for us to make time and money free for innovation, I think, for other things. And that's what IGEL helps us to do. We're just a small group of people caring about all this IT stuff and our users, and we don't have the time and money to care about our endpoints that much. So IGEL really helps us to save time and money and make it free for innovation, for new projects, for development of new services.